11 Shocking Facts About Meta's Llama, Unveiling the Power and Potential of a New AI Era. The world of artificial intelligence, AI, is constantly evolving, and Meta's Llama language model is at the forefront of this exciting revolution. Llama, an acronym for Large Language Model for Any Modality, boasts impressive capabilities that push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. This article dives into 11 surprising facts about Llama, showcasing its power and the potential it holds for the future. 1. Shocking scale. A colossus among language models. One of the most striking facts about Llama is its sheer size. With a staggering 70 billion parameters, it dwarfs previous language models like GPT-3, 175 billion parameters, and Jurassic 1 Jumbo, 178 billion parameters, in terms of raw power. This immense size allows Llama to process and learn from a vast amount of text data, leading to superior performance in various tasks. 2. Beyond text. A multimodal marvel. Unlike most language models that focus solely on text, Llama boasts a multimodal nature. This means it can not only process and generate text, but can also analyze and understand code, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. This versatility makes Llama a true powerhouse with applications across various domains. 3. Code Conqueror. From text to programming prodigy. One of Llama's most surprising capabilities is its ability to understand and generate code. This opens doors for exciting possibilities in the realm of software development. Imagine AI assistants that can help write bug-free code, suggest improvements to existing codebases, or even automate repetitive coding tasks. 4. Translation Titan. Bridging the language barrier. Llama excels at language translation, surpassing previous models in accuracy and fluency. Its ability to understand the nuances of different languages and cultural contexts allows for more natural and accurate translations. This has the potential to break down communication barriers and foster greater global understanding. 5. Creative Chameleon. A muse for writers and artists. Llama's prowess extends to the realm of creative content generation. It can write different kinds of creative text formats, from poems and scripts to musical pieces and even email. While the artistic merit of AI-generated content is still debated, Llama undoubtedly has the potential to serve as a muse, sparking new ideas and aiding human creativity. 6. Hardware Harmony. Designed for efficiency. While massive models often require immense computational resources, Llama is designed to be hardware agnostic. This means it can function efficiently on various hardware platforms, making it more accessible and less resource-intensive compared to other large language models. 7. Unveiled in stealth. A quiet debut for a game changer. Unlike some AI models that receive a grand unveiling, Llama's arrival was surprisingly low-key. Meta first introduced the model in a research paper, highlighting its capabilities without extensive fanfare. This approach underscores Meta's focus on the technology's potential rather than simply creating hype. 8. Still under development. A work in progress with room for growth. Despite its impressive capabilities, Llama remains under development. Meta researchers are constantly working to improve its performance, address potential biases, and ensure its responsible use. The future holds immense potential for Llama's continued growth and refinement. 9. Ethical Concerns. Navigating the AI responsibility landscape. With any powerful technology comes ethical considerations. The potential for bias, misuse, and the impact on human jobs are crucial aspects to address with Llama and other large language models. Meta emphasizes responsible AI development and is likely taking steps to mitigate these concerns. 10. Democratizing AI access. A future where AI empowers everyone. One of the ultimate goals for Llama and similar models might be to democratize access to AI capabilities. Imagine a future where anyone, regardless of technical background, can leverage Llama's power for creative pursuits, code generation, or language translation. This could unlock a new era of innovation and productivity. 11. A glimpse into the future. Llama as a stepping stone. Llama's arrival signifies a significant step forward in AI development. Its capabilities offer a glimpse into a future where AI seamlessly integrates into various aspects of our lives. Whether it's assisting with creative endeavors, breaking down language barriers, or streamlining coding tasks, Llama paves the way for a future filled with exciting possibilities. The future of AI, a collaborative journey. The development of AI models like Llama presents a unique opportunity for human and machine collaboration. As AI capabilities continue to evolve, it's crucial to ensure responsible development and ethical considerations are prioritized.